Jimmy's just out here trying to make Chevy square again. It's Saturday after the NASCAR truck racing last night. Made it out here to plant bamboo. Quick trip out here. Gonna do some riding around in the old side-by-side and have some fun. Do the tug of wars tonight. See how it goes. Get this thing unloaded. Out here planting bamboo. No man's land is pretty busy. He's stuck. What in the crap is this thing? It's got some sort of V12 extended nose school bus rear end, Montgomery County. Anybody know what it is? Hey, Jimmy's just out here trying to make Chevy square again. This guy's having a lot of fun out here. He's drinking twisted tea, getting pulled around in his kayak behind a four-wheeler. I mean, how could you have more fun than that? Oh yeah, down in the ditch. There he goes. Yeah. Rob, what brings you out here?
So there's this little event where they bring out a couple Jeeps and trucks, and you know, they play in the mud. This little mud puddle over here.
Yeah.
Probably 200 or 300 people here, maybe.
What are you getting ready to do with? What? Why do you have fur on your?
Well, they're a dead cat.
Oh, okay.
That might get
Alright, here we go. Third boss went over. I don't see him getting out yet. Look at this thing. It's like a miniature tank. Where's he going? Oh, it's not very deep there. She broke. That's a broke hoe. She broke. Something ain't right there. That sucker, I don't know if that sucker's coming out or not. I mean, it is, but not with that broken rope. Well, I think it's safe to say he stuck like Chuck. Chevy with a Cummins. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. I see that.
Barefoot Bubba just brought up a little bit of Truck Stall Wild history when he used some of the old vocabulary that we created years ago, and he put it in a sentence, and he said, "That bitch is broken." That's the future one of these days for sure.
Yeah.
You know that.
Chicken mud jam in the house.
That being said, y'all got a lot of people up there, a lot of weight
snatch
on that
match.
buggy, and Dirty Mike just added a GoPro to the weight. So we thought it'd be cool, just say the hell of it,